In this video, I will show you how to schedule a post on YouTube. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to create your community post, choose the date and time you want it to go live, and plan your channel updates ahead of time. If this video does help you out today, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech-based tutorials. Now, to do this, what you want to do is head over to YouTube and come across to your channel page. So once you're logged in, if you come and click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner, what you want to do is click onto view your channel. Now, once you're on your channel page, if you look underneath your logo, you're going to see some different options with the posts option here. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this where you can start to create your community post. So you can do this for posts, you can do it for polls as well, or a quiz or video, whichever one you want. So I'm just going to put this is an example post. Now, once you've created your post, to actually schedule this, what you need to do is come to the post button and click the blue arrow next to post. What that's going to do is bring up an option like this where you can schedule your post. Give that a click, and what you can then do is choose a date and time to publish the post. So for example, I can click here and say I wanted it to go live on the 10th at 2 p.m. I would select the date from this one and then choose my time from this drop down box here. So let's go ahead and select 2 p.m. You can also choose your time zone as well for this, and you can set the visibility in the top right hand corner. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click the schedule button, and what it's going to do is just take a minute to get that ready. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, we've got this pop-up confirmation saying that your post has been scheduled. You can view your scheduled post by coming to your post page and clicking on scheduled here, where you're going to find any of your scheduled posts. So that is how to schedule posts on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.